Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ultimate table saw sled plans that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the POWERTEC Table Saw Sled Kit. If you're a woodworking enthusiast looking for precision and safety in your projects, the POWERTEC Table Saw Sled Kit, model 71673, might be your ideal choice. This kit includes 12 universal T-tracks and 19 HDPE miter bars, ensuring precise and safe cuts. The solid aluminum T-tracks and moisture-resistant HDPE bars enhance durability. It's designed for crosscuts and repetitive cuts, reducing injury risks with smaller pieces. Installation is straightforward with its clear instructions, though you'll need a piece of plywood. Users praise its precision, though some mention compatibility concerns. Overall, it's a highly rated tool for enhancing your woodworking projects. Moving on at number 4, we have the Table Saw Sled Set with 2 PCS aluminum. The 26 PCS Table Saw Crosscut Sled Kit for woodworking is a top choice for those who value precision and efficiency in their projects. Manufactured by Faclex, this blue kit weighs only 1.8 pounds and fits most table saw slots. With components like aluminum T-tracks, UHMW miter bars, and stop blocks, you're guaranteed accurate cuts every time. Users appreciate the quality materials, though they note the absence of assembly instructions. At $24.99, it's considered a good deal, even if it's not the cheapest option. Enhance your woodworking with this reliable, hand-powered kit that delivers smooth, burr-free cutting experiences. At number 3, we have the Catcan Table Saw Sled Kit. Are you a DIY enthusiast looking to enhance your woodworking precision? The Catcan Table Saw Sled Kit, 21 PCS, might be your perfect companion. With 2 17-inch UHMW miter bars and 2 12-inch aluminum T-tracks, this kit offers durability and a smooth, low-friction design. It guarantees stability without environmental expansion, ideal for precise cutting tasks like cross-cutting and repeat length cutting. Though some users noted the runners might need trimming for standard slots, the kit's simple stop blocks aid in consistent cuts. Keep in mind, assembly instructions are sparse, so you'll need to supply lumber and dimensions independently. At number 2, we have the POWERTEC Crosscut Sled Miter Bar for Table Saw Sled. Looking for precision in small woodworking projects? The POWERTEC Table Saw Sled Kit, 71,590, might be your solution. With a compact 14.75 x 9.5 inch design, it excels at high-precision cuts, perfect for dowels and small shapes. It's built from durable aluminum and MDF, weighing just 5.42 pounds. The sled includes a zero-clearance insert and adjustable blade guard for safe operation. Assembly is straightforward with included hardware and instructions. While it's not heavy-duty, users appreciate its ease of use and effectiveness for tapered cuts. Rated 4.3 stars, it's a solid choice for occasional precision woodworking tasks. And finally, at number 1, we have the FixlyFido Crosscut Sled for Table Saw. For woodworking enthusiasts seeking precision and reliability, the Crosscut Sled for Table Saw with 4 bars offers an exceptional solution. Crafted from premium UHMW plastic, this sled guarantees stability and a smooth, low-friction glide. With dimensions of 3/4x3/8x17 inches, it fits perfectly into miter slots and is ideal for U-tracks, router tables, and bandsaws. The pre-drilled holes and included screws make setup straightforward, and its customizable length enhances versatility. Users praise its accuracy and control, though some noted slight fit issues with standard miter slots. With a 4.4-star rating, this sled is a reliable choice for precision cuts. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.